Because the pavilion is going to have so many brackets at the cost of about $2,000, I decided that I would buy an Eastman powder coat gun. Of course, to have best results, I would need a fluidizer cup. And if I have a fluidizer cup, I will need to control the pressures. So I looked at this one, and it was about $350 just for the box. So I decided, let's save some money. So I started doing research. I bought precision-based regulators, some plugs to go in this manifold, several different types of fittings, some tubing, and the attachments that go to the fluidizer. So the first step, I set up the fluidizer and ran the lines to it. Next, I configured it with the 3 pressure regulators, and in the back you can see it has a desiccant cartridge to keep the air dry. There's a close-up look at it. After that, I put together these videos in the assembly. Although I have a few more parts on order, these are the items that I'm going to use to create the pressure control box for the powder coat gun. We'll see how that goes. All right, so now we got a piece of sheet metal, 12 inches wide. We're gonna make the box 7 inches tall and 7 inches deep. So you've got all the score lines for the brake to make the bend here, and then we've set the sizes and the distances for each of the meters. And we've set our holes for drill out, and we've got the old punch out tool here ready to get busy. Alright, so now the holes are drilled. First bend for the face is on, across the top. Got to set some measurements to know how far to go back before we make the bend down. And I'm not concerned about the bottom. I have another piece of metal for that. So there we go. A little bit more work to be done on it, but for the most part, it's put together. I got to put the sides together, tack in those pieces, set up the lines in between everything. But I think for $125, that beats $450. Should work great.